In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage document versions in Stack. Perfecting this process can save you a great deal of time and help in organizing your documents efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Stack Build and Operate website. This is where we'll begin managing our document versions. Once you're on the site, you'll see a login page. In the space provided, type in your email address. Remember, it's crucial to ensure every character is correct, as an incorrect entry here means you won't be able to proceed to the next step. Once you've entered your email, go ahead and click on the Next button. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. Take a moment here to ensure your password is accurate and carefully typed in. Security is key, so remember to use a strong password and keep it confidential. After you've entered your password, locate the Login button and give it a click. This will take you into your account on Stack Build and Operate, where all the action happens. Now that you're logged in, find the section labeled Documents and click on it. This is where you'll manage your document versions. When you're on the Documents page, look for the Manage Version Sets icon. Clicking on this icon will let you see the version sets you currently have. From here, separate actions can be taken depending on your need. For instance, if you want to modify the name or delete version sets that are no longer necessary, go ahead and click on the specific version set you'd like to edit. Additionally, there's an option to check a box to ensure a particular version set doesn't appear when applying a filter. This can be quite handy to avoid clutter. Once you've made all the desired changes or deletions, double check to ensure that everything looks just the way you want it. Finally, there's a crucial step that often gets overlooked, making sure to click on the Save button. This is located at the bottom of the page, and it's essential to finalize any edits you've made. Without clicking Save, your changes won't be applied, and you'll have to repeat this process. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be managing document versions like a pro in Stack. This procedure not only keeps your documents organized and up to date, but also streamlines your workflow, enhancing your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy managing!